When it's new technology, I think it adds another layer of concern and caution. And part of the challenge, as well as setting the safety regulations, it also has to play part in reassuring the public that, yes, this works, this is safe.
364 days back, I stood here and we started this conversation, and I said we will have these 3 working parties, and today we are here to launch the report and the findings that we had. So what we wanted to do was evolve. We wanted to develop together new learnings. At the same time, take this time to actually validate some of the findings that we've had.
Central government is critical to this. This is a massive task. No single group of stakeholders can win this. We all win, or no one wins.
The group that's come together for the last year has shown how sharing our individual domain areas of knowledge and taxonomy has already started that cross-domain education piece.
One of the first things that we wanted to do was try and answer the question, what exactly is assurance? Establishing assurance needs to have 3 different aspects. One is around trying to assure the performance of your automated system. You'll need to complement the performance assurance by some level of process assurance. And lastly is the usage assurance. People want a framework that is commercially also realizable.
There's a real economic opportunity in this type of innovation. From enhancing well-being and improving quality of life through to reducing carbon emissions, the potential is there.
In order to start the testing process, it's very important to understand your requirements. We wanted to start off with a concept called operational design domain, or ODD. Essentially, it defines the operating conditions of your system.
What I was happy to hear today is the concept of the safety target, and I completely agree that the framework to define a safety target probably can be the same, and probably this is another thing that depends again on the ODD.
The other aspect of assurance is about communicating. What is it that you want to communicate? What is the content? Who are you communicating to? The audience. And how are you communicating the mechanism?
Communicating about safety is a really difficult thing. How do we engage with the public? How do we get the social license from the public that gives them assurance it's safe?
I think we have a great opportunity here to open up the platform of experiencing such technologies in broader perspective. I think that is a key element for getting people engaged with it.
Increasingly, we're seeing the opportunity to work cross-modal. There is a real kind of imperative there to look at what can be learned from other sectors and brought in.
So it's very important to ensure that we start working on standards in a both domain agnostic as well as domain specific manner. When we started last year, we did not know what we're getting ourselves into. But I've been absolutely humbled by each and every organization, each and every individual. A big thank you to all of you.
This technology is coming. We have to get it right, and hopefully together we will be able to come up with that sensible set of world-leading regulations.
In terms of the impact of this programme, it's already considerable. Iain and myself and our members will make sure that government is aware of and takes up the requirements and the recommendations that are made.